A common optimization technique which involves arrays and which is commonly used to solve problems in Leetcode is the two-pointer technique. Here we have 2 pointers, that is, we have 2 indices and they can be in different positions. The idea is to keep changing the position so that in a single pass we are able to solve the problem. There are two types of two-pointer techniques or variations. One is the 2 pointers keep moving in the same direction, in which case we usually make use of something like the fast pointer and the slow pointer. The next variation is where the pointers start in the opposite ends. So we call the locations to be left and right. The problem statement is we are given an array. We call this array as height. So the height represents the height of the line that we draw from the x coordinate. The problem statement is I have to find a container. This container has 4 sides. One side is formed by the x-axis and the remaining 2 sides are formed by lines which are represented as height, where the container has an area which is equivalent to width into height. For this we use the two-pointer technique, in which I have 2 pointers, one called as a left pointer starting from 0 and one called as a right pointer starting from 8. We start from 0, 8 and we see the area of the container that is formed with this boundary. So from 0, 8, the width is 8 minus 0, which is 8. The height of the smaller line is 1 and so the total area is 8. The second time, the smaller length line is at 0. So I move the left pointer 1 to the right. Basically, the left pointer moves towards the right and the right pointer has to move towards the left. In the first step, when I find the area, the max value is denoted as 8. Now I have to find if there is an area of a rectangle which is bigger than this. The smaller line is at 0, so I move 0 to 1 and the area is 49. Since 49 is bigger than 8, I change max to be 49. The smaller line is at 8, so I move 8 to 7 and then the area is 18. This has to be continued till I find a value left which is less than right.